Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie. In today's episode, we'll be reviewing this Bluetooth speaker called the Tronsmart T2 Plus. It's a half of a mini soundbar, no, in dimension niya. So first things first, let's check the packaging. You know me, I'm a marketing person and branding is very important to me. If you don't have very good packaging, then it creates a bad impression. So you always need to have a good impression. So let's check out the packaging of the Tronsmart T2 Plus. So on top, you could see actually the Tronsmart picture photo. It's in black and white, and I could say the layout is balanced. Okay, on the sides, there's also some pictures. This one actually promotes, no, it's an intersection of the different parts inside and outside of the speaker. So actually this one helps also to entice people to buy. Of course, these are the items that we will be seeing inside the box later. So at the back, again, they are promoting that one of the part of the speaker, you could tie in a lanyard or any string or even a carabiner. So you could put it, sling it in your bag or on your bike. Okay, and of course the features later we'll be discussing all of this. And what else, this product is made from China. It's a China brand from the Shenzhen province. We all know that Shenzhen is like the Silicon Valley of China. Okay, so it's all of the hardware and software tech is coming from in China, so that's good. Okay, so let's do some unboxing. Okay, so let's okay, on top you have the mandatory user manual. Okay. And then this is the unit. Later we'll open that, and inside is a warranty card, so you could register your unit. If you want extended warranty for another 6 months, according to them, you register it in their website. Okay. And then of course for the moisture absorbent chemical. And on the side we have another box. It's also branded. So inside, where's that? Okay, so inside you can see the lanyard. So it looks like a shoelace to me. To be honest, it's not that quality, the lanyard. I hope they next time if they produce another lanyard, could they just change the material. Okay, so Tronsmart on the side. So what do we have here? We have the 3.5 jack, the aux cable. It's the audio cable for those who doesn't know. So those are first time buyers, this is called the 3.5 aux cable or auxiliary cable. And last but not the least, we have the charging cable, and it's already a type C. So there you go. Cool. So let's put this all on the side, and let's leave that on the side, and let's check this unit. Okay, so that's the Tronsmart. Okay, let's check out the front. This is the front, by the way. I don't know if you could see the speakers. I can't see the speakers as well, but there are two speakers here in front, and at the back there's a radiator. So let's check out the materials on the outside. So as you can see here on the sides, it's made out of silicone, and of course the body is ABS plastic, but it has silicone coating, and every time you see a silicone coating, most likely it has waterproofing. On this is the front, and on the right is just a plain surface. On the left, this is where you could put your sling or carabiner. Later we'll test that. On the bottom you have two rubber stoppers. I hope you could see that. Okay, let's check the resistance. Okay, good enough. And this is just wood. If it were glass, then it's gonna be sticking on the glass better. Okay, at the back where the radiator is, you could see there's another silicone cover here. Let's try to open that. Okay, what do we expect here? So the TF and Type-C and aux-in. So let's check that out. Let's check that out. If it wants to, I mean, this is a good sign, by the way. If it's not easy to peel it off, so it means water just can't go in easily. So it's peeled off, and again you will see the TF slot for the SD card and the Type-C port for charging, and of course my favorite, aux, in the event that your Bluetooth dies on you. Okay, you could always plug in the aux in your PC, in your laptop, and on your cell phone. Okay, so let's just leave that open. And on top, let's have a better lighting. On top is your control panel. Okay, this is NFC. So this is another wireless technology. It's a very old one. Basically, it's like Bluetooth. It's used for transactions. Like for example, if you have a credit card app or a debit app on your cell phone, you just place your cell phone with NFC on top of the POS of the credit card or debit card reader, so you could pay or accept money. Okay, so on the left side is the plus minus sign. This is where you could move forward, move backward with your files for the card, for the SD card in the TF slot. In the middle is play and pause, and the mode, and of course the power button. So in the mode, again, you could only select from Bluetooth, aux, and TF. Okay, there is no radio in Transmart, which is good because I don't want to have radios inside my Bluetooth speakers. It becomes cheap for me if they put on radio. You want radio, buy a radio, because the radio itself, the purpose is to listen to AM and FM. Okay, moving forward, let's check out the specs. The specs, this one has a Bluetooth 5.0, so that's good. The speakers are two 10-watt speakers. The total watt or wattage of the speakers is 20 watts. And then effective range, 30 meters or 100 feet of transmission distance. Open air, walang obstruction. So walang nakaharang. So kaya niya yun. So that's good. Siguro kaya tinawag tong T2 Plus. Yung plus is because of the range. Okay, it has IPX7 water resistance. It means pag pinag-aralan nyo kasi yung mga IPX7s, IPX4, 5, 6, 7, 8, may mga ibig sabihin po yun. Mayroong ibig sabihin capability sa water resistance. So yung water resistance niya and capability is kaya itong nakalublob sa tubig, underwater, from 0 to 1 meter na lalim, yung depth niya. At kailangan less than 30 minutes lang siya nakababad, or else masisira na yung gamit na to or itong device na to. So usually may mga tanong kayo, paano pag nalusong ako sa labaha, no? Meron akong Transmart, binaha yung bahay namin. Hopefully hindi siya nalublob ng 1 meter. And you have the 30 minutes to take it away underneath the water and let the water drip, or bawasan mo ng tubig, taktakin mo or whatever para mabawasan yung tubig, para ma-save mo yung device. Okay, may tanong pa sigurado, paano pag dala ko yung bag ko, o for example estudyante ka, okay, tapos meron kang Transmart, tapos dala-dala mo sa school, tapos biglang umulan pa uwi, tapos hindi ka nakasilong, as in super duper na umulan, parang bagyo ang bagsak ng ulan, nabasa yung bag mo. So kahit wala tong plastic protector sa loob para hindi maka-absorb ng tubig, kahit mabasa siya, okay lang. Okay, basta kaya naman niya kasi 1 meter na na lalim ng tubig. So kung nabasalan to, okay lang. Okay. Okay, moving forward, ang baterya niya, ang milliamps ay 3,600. That's good. Ibig sabihin, matagal-tagal yung playing time niya. So, ano yung playing time niya? Ang playing time niya is up to 24 hours. Wow! Okay, as long as nasa ano siya, no, 50% volume level. So, kung ikaw yung tipong nasa 70 to 75, lagpas siya ng 12 hours. Pag gusto mo palaging naka-maximum, 100% na volume na level, kalahatiin mo lang 24, so most likely within 10 to 10 to 12 hours yung playtime mo. So sobra-sobra na yon, not unless na may party ka na abutin ng 10 hours, no. So ano pa, okay, ang charging time niya is 3 hours. So sasaksak mo lang doon and charging niya is 3 hours. Ano dimension niya? Sukat niya ay sa millimeters is 175, tapos 179 by 69 by 53 millimeters. Okay, or 7 by 3 by 2 inches. Ang kanyang bigat, almost half a kilo. It's 470 grams estimate. Okay. So again, meron siyang NFC, may TWS din siya, at saka may hands-free calls, no? Pag gusto mong gamitin siya as so sasagutin mo yung telephone calls mo, nakakonekta to. Tapos pindutin mo lang naman yung ano dito, yung play. Okay. So, paano kinakabit yung yung TWS? Unfortunately, we don't have another unit kasi medyo may kamahalan to, no? So, basically, according sa instructions ng Tronsmart, pag may dalawa kang Tronsmart na ganito na T2 Plus, i-on mo lang pareho, tapos mag-prepare na yung dalawa automatic, no? Parang do sa mga earbuds, may auto auto connect. Okay. Now, in case daw na hindi mag-connect for whatever reason, hindi siya nag-auto-connect, ipindutin mo lang yung mode ng ilang segundo, tapos mag-auto-connect na sila. Okay, so ganun lang yon. Okay, let's try to turn on this unit, and let's check if there's a voice prompt or no voice prompt. And let's try it now. So, yun na yun. No voice prompt and automatic may Bluetooth signal siya kasabay. Let's turn it off. Okay, so meron lang siya sound prompt, no? Yung classic na tu-du-du-du. So, yun na yun. So, sa mga gusto na walang voice prompt, so ito na yung isa sa mga speakers na pwede nyong bilhin. Okay, so let's proceed sa sa music testing. Woohoo! 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 Okay, let's try to set up the Bluetooth connection between the Tronsmart and this old Huawei. Ayun, so kita na, may harang lang. So may Trons na doon. Click natin yon to connect. Ang sabi, to pair with allow access to pair. So yun, kita na, Tronsmart Element T2 Plus. So ayun yung complete name niya, no? So isa sa maganda yan na may branding yung kanilang Bluetooth signal. Okay, gusto ko lang testingin, no, kung gumagana nga yun sa Bluetooth commands niya, kung nakokontrol nga ba ng Tronsmart yun pause and play at saka yun volume kapag naka-Bluetooth connection ka, which is okay naman, gumagana. So, without further ado, let's do some proper testing ng music. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try to squeeze some bass into this Tronsmart T2 Plus. Let's play some trap music from the Trap Wolves channel. This is also a no copyright music. Okay, it's verdict time. So let's start with the packaging. So sa packaging niya, I could say that it's 5 stars, no? Maganda siya. At saka thick yung cardboard na ginamit sa kanya. Okay, so I like the overall design of the packaging. Okay, in terms of the materials used, so materials used yung mga ano niya, silicone rubber and aluminum, and of course yung ABS plastics niya. And the overall design, I could say that it's also a 5 star. Okay, in terms of music naman, yung ano niya, highs and mids are okay, no? Nasa 5 stars. Yung challenging lang sa kanya yung bass niya. So yung bass niya depende sa pinapatugtog mong music. Minsan kaya niya yung super low bass, but hindi madalas. Okay. Like the other speaker that I reviewed last week, hindi siya pang ano talaga, yung dumadagundong na music, kasi pang ano talaga siya, pang desk lang, pang ano, maliit na kwarto, except siguro pag naka TWS ka, so dalawang ganito, no? So sulit yung bass mo, pero hindi niya kaya yung super bass, no? Yung pinatugtog na natin yung Trap Wolves music, yung Hopex Found at saka Hopex Conquer, hindi niya kaya. Okay, hindi katulad ng sino ba yung kaya? Anong brand yun? Mitsubishi BT-02. Talagang naka-program yun as a bass speaker, no? Sino pa ba yung kaya? Kaya rin naman yung Tilex XM19. Okay, at saka XM20. Although hindi ko na nire-recommend yung XM20 kasi sumasablay na talaga yung yung Bluetooth technology at saka yung TWS function nila. Marami na akong natatanggap na comments sa channel natin na sumasablay na yung TWS TWS ng XM20, no, yung function sumasablay. So hindi ko na nire-recommend yun. So is this a buy? Yes, it is a buy, no, kung gusto mo yung ganito, no, IPX7, may waterproofing na, tapos mobile pa siya, pwede mo pang isabit sa bag. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin madukot tong ayun. So, pwede mo siyang sabit sa bisikleta mo, no, sa motorsiklo mo, pwede. Kung ako sa inyo, gumamit ka na lang ng carabiner na at saka matibay na lanyard. So, yung design overall, I like it, but hindi siya original. Hindi ko alam kung sino nauna, si Xdobo o si Tronsmart, kasi pareho silang may ganito at halos magkamukha yung design nila. So sa next video yon, susunod yun, Xdobo Wing 2020. Okay, so is this a buy? Yes, again, this is a buy. So nabili namin to sa Lazada, nasa worth siya, more than 1,000 and less than 1,600 kasama na yung delivery. Okay, so yun lang. So thank you very much for watching and see you on the next product review. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next week for another product review. Bye bye.